In this tutorial session, we are going to look at operators. There are 6 Python operators: AAC, LBB, assignment, arithmetic, comparison, logical, Boolean, and bitwise. The identity and membership operators are a subset of the Boolean operator. We are going to focus on the most used operators: assignment, arithmetic, comparison, logical, and Boolean. The purpose of an assignment operator is to assign a value to the variable name. Arithmetic operators perform a math operation on numeric values. A comparison operator is used to compare two values, and the logical operators combine statements that have a condition. Last but not least are the Boolean operators, which represent an expression that returns true or false. Let's start with the assignment operator. We have used the assignment operator since naming and creating a variable. It is the equal symbol that assigns a value. For example, course equals, let's say, Python step by step. This statement assigned Python step by step to course using the equal symbol. When it comes to an arithmetic operator, there are 7 operators. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. Recall in Python, there are 2 types of numbers. We have integers and floating point numbers. The integer is a whole number, and floating point numbers are numbers with a decimal. The arithmetic operators work on both types. Let's look at a few operators such as print, let's say 10 plus 3. We know the plus symbol represents addition, so the answer is 13. Yes, the console returns 13. Now I'm going to copy this statement and paste it 6 times, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second statement would be subtraction. We have multiplication. We have exponent. And there are 2 division operators: the normal division operator and the floor division operator. Last is the modulus, which is a percent sign. I'm going to run, and we know 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 times 3 is 30. And this here will be 1,000 because it would be 10 times 10 times 10. And this here division, there will be 3 and some decimals. And this here will be just the whole number of 3 divided by 3. And this here will be 1 because 10 divided by 3 is 3 and the remainder is 1. I'll talk about it again. Okay, so we see subtraction is 7. Multiplication is 30. Exponent raises 10 to the power of 3, then return 1,000. That's 10 times 10 times 10. We have those 2 division operators. The normal division operator shows 3.3 with 5 at the end. And the floor division operator is also known as an integer operator because it only returns the whole number. That's why we don't see a decimal. So 10 divided by 3 is 3. It does not include the decimal. Now, the last value is the modulus. That's when we divide one number by another number, then return the remainder. The remainder of 10 divided by 3 is 1. For all of these arithmetic operators, we also have augmented assignment operators. An augmented assignment operator is also known as a shortcut operator because it combines one operator with an assignment operator. For example, the first row shows a plus symbol and an equal symbol. There's a total of 13, but these are the main ones we just went over. We can also combine strings using an augmented operator. In the IDE, we have course equal to Python step-by-step. On the next line, I would write course equal to, plus equal to, and the value will be tutorial. When I print course, we're gonna see Python step-by-step tutorial. Do you see what happened? It combined the first value with the second value. It's the same with addition operator and the other arithmetic operators. Now, we can write for addition, let's say 10 plus 5. We can write the print statement for addition. The interpreter will add 10 plus 5, which is 15, then assign 15 to the addition variable. Let's run. And as expected, the console returns 15. The long way of incrementing this statement by 5 is to write addition equal to addition plus 5. That's the long way. Now the shortcut of incrementing by 5 is to write addition plus equals 5. It's the same process. Now I'm going to print. And when I print, we know this statement is 15. Incrementing by 5 will be 20, and the last value would be 25. So I'm going to print addition and print addition again, then run. And yes, we see it incremented by 5, 15, 20, and 25. There's something else I want to show you. It's the order of operations, also known as operator precedence. In math, it's called PEDMAS. Let me go to the next one. It's called PEDMAS, which is PEDMAS. That's parenthesis, exponent, divide, multiply, add, and subtract. It provides the order of how our program will execute the arithmetic operators. For example, let's say result is, what's a good number? 21 minus 1 times 10 plus 10. Looking at this statement, a person might think we solved this problem starting from left to right. But using PEDMAS, we begin with the parentheses. And that's equal to 20, 10 plus 10. Then multiply by 1. 20 times 1 is 20. Now we have 21. 21 minus 20 is 1. So when I run, the console shows 1. Good. That's it for assignment and arithmetic operators. Next, I will show you comparison operators. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session. Cool.